and welcome to my new studio. It's taken a little while longer than I planned to get this video up and to share this new space with you guys. I have been waiting to get some shelving, which was a major part of the studio, to put all my products and things, and we've finally done that now, and I can give you a tour of the new studio. So let's go, shall we? So this is obviously going to be the garage area, and this half will be mine. It looks a bit small at the moment because we've got things covered up behind the sheet, so it's bigger than what you can see, but it's going to be a really nice size, bigger than what I've got, and yeah, I'll continue to show progress as we go. This is going to be the dividing wall, and I'll just take you over here, and that's going to be the fire door. So there will be French doors in this section. That'll all be made good, and yeah, so getting along. So as we come in the doors of the new studio, this is what you see. So I have my painting corner over here, and then if I slowly turn you around, you will see my desk. I think these are gonna go, so take no notice of those. So we have my computer area as you come in, and it's a really super cozy little corner, and I've got a few inspirational things up there, and the lovely catnip calendar, and art from my favourite people. That's the door as you come in, and then I normally put my laptop here and set that up, but this is set up all the time, and got my stationery drawers and things under there. These are new drawers. They've got all bits and bobs like extra art supplies and things. That is my box with my old machine calendar and my remaining seconds stock. And then as we come over here, this is my packaging desk, and my Alex drawers with all my packaging stuff in. And it's really great because it's a standing desk, so if I want to sit down and do some planning or drawing or whatever, I can sit there and do that, and I can look out the window at the garden, which is a mess at the moment, but yeah, it's a really nice place to sit. And I also love standing there packaging your orders. So this is my new packing area. So we have all my bits and bobs there, like washi tape and stickers and things like that, scissors, and then on my new lovely shelves, which are actually reclaimed scaffold boards, which hubby sanded down and put a clear layer of wax on for me, and they look really, really nice. So this is exactly what I wanted, something natural and chunky and really sturdy. And I'm using these lovely boxes to put stock in. So I've got some art prints in there and some key rings in there, a new little cute lamp that I got for Christmas. We have notepads in here, got all my notepad stocks in there, and some up here as well. And then I have my catnip art print, and Jess Was Here, lovely art print to give me inspiration when I'm sitting here and working on new things. So we have sketchbooks here, my leads and things for my chargers and stuff like that, extra ink, and my sticker storage, some art books, and then up here we have my greeting card storage, my Cricut machine, my lovely pin board, some inspiration for illustration, my cute Winnie the Pooh bee bear, and some extra art supplies. And then I have this section free for extra storage, which I'm going to put my washi tapes in when they arrive fairly soon. And so I'll need to get some more of these boxes and put those up there, which will be really good. Down here I have another shelf which has got my thermal label printer on, some packing boxes, an extra tripod, and down here I have the cover for my new sofa, which I'll talk about in a minute, and some more envelopes and things underneath. And then in this corner we have, or should I say this side of the room, we have my shelves. Now this area isn't finished yet. I'm going to have that sign, it's going to be up here, and I'm going to do a bit more with it. I'm just waiting to sort that out. And the shelves will be full of my cards, so that's yet to be completed. I have my cloud mural going all the way across, which is really nice and creates a really nice backdrop. I needed something to break up the wall because, as if I step back, you can see my gorgeous sofa. And this is one of the biggest things for the studio. It was one of the things that was the most important for me. I wanted somewhere really cozy to sit and record videos with you guys, to sit and draw at, and have a place to just rest. And yeah, so I've been waiting a long time to get this, and I absolutely love it. It's so comfy and it's the perfect space for recording and doing other things like I just said, and I just love it. So this is a really special place in the new studio, and I use it a lot already. And I put a nice throw on there to protect the cover, the actual cushion on there, and got a nice blanket because it does get a bit chilly in here, even though I have some heating. But yeah, so that's where I'll be recording more videos from to you guys. And then just coming over here we have my fire door, which I am also using as like a gallery wall for paintings, which all of those are not finished yet. And you can see I've got plenty of works in progress. I have another inspiration board for paintings and some more art by other artists. That's from Lee Ellickson. So this is my painting corner, and I have my art carts, some canvases and paintings, and I really love it. I'm in an iron about this corner because I wanted to have somewhere to put my easel, but I also had printers in this corner. I had a shelving unit just here, but it didn't really work with the space, and I needed to still move things around. So we have created this lovely corner, and I can sit here and paint. I can take my desk chair, turn it around, and have it facing that way. And yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm keeping this art cart. I've had this a very long time. I was going to use it to sort of like sit things on, like my water jar and stuff, but I've managed to make room over in this corner, which I think will be better away from the sofa, because I don't want to get anything on my beautiful sofa. And yeah, it'd free up a bit more space if I didn't have that as well. So that is the view when I sit at my easel. And you can see down here we have cut an extra piece of carpet so that I don't get paint on my beautiful new carpet. I wanted to have carpet in here because in the house we just have hardwood floors, and mainly because we've got dogs, but it's all more practical for us. So I wanted it to feel really homely and soft and squishy under feet, and just really homely in here. So we went for a beautiful grey carpet, and it goes really nice with the sofa, and yeah, I'm super pleased with it. Yeah, so still a little bit more to do over on this side, but most of it is done now. And yeah, I absolutely love being in here, and I feel very blessed to be able to have such a lovely space and somewhere to concentrate. So that is the new studio tour. What do you think, guys? I absolutely love it, and yes, it's very pink, it's very me. It's super comfy, and it has all the areas that I really need to work efficiently. So I'm super excited to have better video content. It'll be brighter, and I've got more room to film, which is really exciting. And yeah, I really love packing your orders in my new little packing area, and the new washi tape will be coming in mid-February, so I'll be able to make room on the shelves for that. And yeah, so we've got lots of exciting things coming up. Check out my next video, which will be talking about my plans for this year and a bit of a reflection on 2022. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed viewing the new studio. I will of course update you as things kind of change in here. Inevitably things will get moved and changed as I grow and use the space more, and I still obviously need to finish this area so I can update you on that. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed having a look around. Sorry it's taken me so long to get to this point, but it just took way longer than we thought to get it all finished, and we finally pretty much have. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed having a look, and I will see you again in another video. Bye guys.